Justin Lokitz. I'm a managing director at Business Models Inc. And we're a global firm with offices here in the US, as well as Netherlands, Taiwan, and Australia. And we work with companies of all different sizes, all the way from startups to very large global enterprises, really helping them design and test their business models and strategies for the future.
I was really impressed today. In just a few hours, I was able to ideate on our business model that we've already launched, think about improvements for the future and plans for how to get to where we want to get to. And so this exercise with Business Models Inc. has really been an eye-opener for me.
A business model is how do I create, deliver, and capture value. These 9 boxes sort of are the building blocks of a business model. I like to think of these as not boxes that we fill out, because this is a network, this is an ecosystem. What that means is every one of these boxes touches every other box. In fact, you can almost think about it as a sphere. That means that when one thing changes in one box, there's going to be an upstream and downstream effect of that thing immediately or maybe over time. But something changes, something else must change.
I'm glad I came to this meeting today. I learned a lot, especially about the business model, and although it's a non-profit, I believe that we need to have a strong business model to move forward.
It's a very fast-paced session where you get to try out a lot of ideas and really stress test where you're at in the process.
Got to create a business model from scratch. Once you start pulling apart that initial business model, I realized, wow, this really needs help. And then by putting myself in the shoes of the people that we're trying to work with and building a prototype, now I feel like we're on the right path.
I think there were a bunch of aha moments, and I think there was a bunch of scratching heads too, but I'm really happy with where we got, and I'm really, really excited to continue to work with these startups.